Hi everyone, we are going to try to format this web page using we'll try to format this web page using CSS. Okay, and what we'll try to do is we'll start with the body part and background color. Pick this color, maybe it's suitable. Test it straight away if it's working, if the two are linked to each other. Okay, it's working. Maybe too strong, so we can add transparency into it. Let's see if we add, for example, 7.7, not the full weight, but semi-transparent. Okay, that's not bad. Font family, Arial, comma, Calibri, comma, Verdana. Okay. All right. Then next, perhaps target at H1 the heading and start and finish, and the font size. Font size could be 3 times normal size, or maybe 4 times normal size when it's for desktop use. And we can give it a color, hash F000 semicolon, yeah. And okay, if we save it and then go and browse the web page again, alright, the heading is there. Okay, so for subheadings, what other color shall we give? What you can do is, we can cheat a bit by copy and pasting. So for the subheadings, we could copy the same thing but change it a bit. H2, font size 4 is too big for subheadings, maybe 2 times normal size, and perhaps pick the color from here, something like this. File, save, and reload. Okay, I am really surprised why the subheading is here, this one. Oh, okay. Alright. I assumed I had typed the subheading in the header area, but now I have just done it. Let's check. Okay, you see this subheading and the subheading inside each boxes or inside each summary are the same formatting. Okay, so next, what am I going to do? We targeted the heading, subheading, then the paragraph. Okay, the next target is the paragraph. Okay, so P for the paragraphs. What do we want? Okay, for the paragraph, maybe font size 1.3 EM, and give it a special color. Let's say maybe it's always a good idea to use flat UI colors. Okay, let's use that one. reload. Okay, maybe not so great. uh, okay. After the paragraphs, then we could target each box, the city box. We could give them features. Each city box could get, alright, let's go there. So we have the class called city, right? What is it? So we need to get that spelling. We can't afford to make a mistake. Paste it there and start and finish. So everything we want for that box, we program it here. We give it a margin, perhaps 20 pixel, float left, so that it's arranged nicely, padding, so that the content has some space from the border area, and the border itself, we want it to be 5 pixel thick, solid, and maybe the color we picked earlier for the paragraphs, this one. Or maybe another color is better, so that we have contrast. We could give it maybe this color. Why not? Okay, and we can give it a width 350 or 360 pixel, and height 360 pixel. Okay, and we can give it a background color, but let's give it the base color first for the background, and then we'll add transparency. How about this purple, matte purple it says, background color, but then we add some transparency into it, and let's see what this gives us. Alright, let's go and check the web page. Oh, okay, so we started putting the boxes, but the pictures are all over the place, and the border, it's been, it looks like we have same as the background color, so we need to do something about the border. Oh, this border, it's not working because I mistyped to hash. Maybe confused. Maybe it's confused. Let's see. Reload. Oh, right. Okay. So good. So far so good. So now next I need to write the CSS for the images, right? But maybe it's better to actually end this video and keep it short, so that you do that next.